It's now 9:46. Welcome back. It may not exactly be fireworks, but with just a few everyday items, families can create their own baking soda rockets. Texas A&M University student Janee Kovacs joins us now to show us how to make at-home baking soda rockets. Janee, good morning and thanks for being with us.
Good morning. So my name is Janee Kovacs.
I was going to say, go ahead, take it away.
Okay. My name is Janee Kovacs and I am a chemical engineering major at Texas A&M. And today we're going to be doing a water bottle rocket. So the materials that you'll need for this experiment, of course, you'll need a water bottle. You're going to need 3 pencils and some tape to secure those pencils. You're going to need a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon. You're going to need a cork that can securely fit in the bottle. You're going to need paper towels or a napkin. You're going to need baking soda and vinegar. And so the first step of this experiment, you want to go ahead and take those pencils and tape them equal distance around the bottle. This is going to act as a stand when you flip the bottle over. The next step, you're going to take your vinegar and you can use a funnel to fill up the bottle about 1/3 of the way with vinegar. As you see here, we already have it filled. So next step, you're going to take your baking soda. You're going to take 1 teaspoon of that baking soda, and this is probably where your napkins come in. You want a little sliver of napkin, and you're going to put that 1 teaspoon inside the napkin.
And Janee, I see you're working at a pan to try to keep everything from getting all over the place, all the materials. Is that what you're doing there?
Yep, exactly. So normally this experiment will be done outside, but we're doing it inside today. So go ahead, take this. And before we do the experiment, safety first, I'm going to go ahead and put my goggles on. So go ahead and ball this up. And the napkin basically acts as a barrier for the reaction so it doesn't occur as quickly. And you're going to want to have that cork in your other hand and go ahead and drop the baking soda in and put the cork on immediately. All right. And go ahead and flip your bottle over and wait for the reaction to take place.
And how long about should that? Oh, pretty quick. That's pretty quick.
Yeah, so it occurs almost instantly. That's why we use the napkin so it doesn't explode as soon as you put the baking soda in. So the science behind this experiment is an acid-base reaction. So our base is baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, and then our acid is vinegar, which is acetic acid. So when the two react together, one of the products of this reaction is carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide, as we know, is a gas. And so this gas increases pressure within the bottle, and the pressure builds up as potential energy. And so whenever the reaction takes place and that pressure becomes to a certain limit, the cork will pop out, and as a reaction, the bottle will fly up due to Newton's third law, which is every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So the force from the pressure is going downward, and then the rocket goes upward.
And Janee, I know everybody loves rockets. That's always such a fun experiment to do. And good news for people who love rockets. Rocket Day with STEM NOLA is coming up. Give us the details on that event if you can.
Yep, so we're having a Rocket Day at UNO Lakefront. That will be July 23rd. You can register at STEMNOLA.com. Registration is ending soon, and it is filled up very quickly. So if you do want to be a part of that, make sure you sign up as soon as possible.
And that website again, STEMNOLA.com. Well, we thank you so much, Janee, for your time this morning. That was a really fun experiment. Have a great weekend.
You too.
All right, time is now 9:50.